For years, we invested in AI tools that promised transformation and delivered drafts, suggestions, recommendations, and someone, somewhere, still had to do the work. We had hit the assistant ceiling. Our teams were buried, manually scheduling meetings across dozens of calendars, chasing follow-up emails through cluttered inboxes, logging CRM updates after every single call. We didn't lack AI, we lacked AI execution. CloneForce changed everything. The decision was never about replacing anyone, it was about giving every team member a digital teammate, one that showed up inside the tools they already used every day. Google Calendar, Gmail, Google Docs, and Drive, our CRM systems. Clones didn't suggest, they acted. Meetings scheduled, follow-up sent, documents updated, reports filed. As confidence grew, we extended capabilities through SkillForge, building custom skills for research workflows, task routing, eSignature, even live meeting participation. Each clone operating from its own custom knowledge base, grounded in our organization's processes, language, and history. The results were undeniable. Task handling time dropped by 70%. A research project that once required 6 analysts was completed by one person working alongside a clone in under an hour. Our people stopped managing AI, they started leading. Here's what we learned. Embed AI in existing workflows. Don't force behavior change. Build clones that know your organization. And never forget, transformation is a human initiative first and last. The CloneForce logo represents the moment we stopped asking AI to help us work and started letting AI do the work so our people could lead. This is your moment. The execution layer is ready.